Additionally, we can show NuoDB resiliency in the event of common hardware, software, and network failures. NuoDB is built to run in environments where failures can and will occur. So bring it on. NuoDB will keep running and keep servicing SQL transactions as long as redundancy has been built into the database deployment. I'm running the NuoDB Community Edition in this demonstration, a free community version, which allows you to create multiple admin processes, as we can see here 3, as well as multiple and up to 3 transaction engines, as we've already demonstrated. Note, creating a redundant storage manager tier is an enterprise edition feature that you can try for yourself in a trial or a POC by contacting your NuoDB sales representative. Let's start by introducing a failure into the system by killing a TE process to demonstrate the NuoDB's database resilience. We'll choose one of the TEs and delete the pod. As you can see, OpenShift is already busy rescheduling a new pod, while the database is in a recovery mode of replacing the failed TE transaction engine. You will notice in NuoDB Insights, it is common that a deterministic percentage of transaction throughput will decrease for a short period of time while the database recovers by replacing the failed TE process. But the database never goes down. The applications continue to run with very little impact to overall transactional throughput. Here we can see with the yellow line, it indicates the drop from 3 to 2 transaction engines, but then quickly a new transaction engine replaces the old. And there's very little impact to overall transactional throughput. As the new TE process is running, it will start to pick up more and more SQL transactions, and we'll see the transactions per second will stabilize again somewhere around 9,000 transactions per second. Likewise, the same can be done at the admin tier. We could follow a similar process by injecting a failure into the admin tier, but yet NuoDB will continue to process SQL while the database recovers the admin process in less than a minute. As well, if you would like to try the same example with the storage manager tier, each one of the processes, if set up in a redundant deployment, can fail. Using OpenShift, the processes will then be replaced. So you'll notice when we view the running database system in NuoDB Insights over the period of time where the failure had occurred, we see the database fully recovers, often in just tens of seconds, and always continues to process SQL during those recovery periods. And most importantly, the applications never experience downtime. The NuoDB Community Edition is available for you to try for yourself. Thank you for attending this demonstration. To learn more about NuoDB, visit www.nuodb.com.